Mardi.
May gusto mo. Pwede ito yung soul.
Kakaulan na din.
Please be seated. The administrations and we, the teaching staffs of elementary and secondary of Gilsaraman Integrated School, would like to express our warmest congratulations to the parents and of course to the elementary and high school graduates of batch 2012. Would like also to express our heartfelt gratitude to the distinguished guest of honor and guest speaker, Dr. Tilma Kapansan Pitalik, ma'am, and of course for the other deputy officials who are here for gracing the ceremony, Ma'am Daruha and Ma'am Vivian Nathan and JC Balut. Thank you. And so, we have now come to the end of this ceremony.
Parents.
Of course. Sorry, I forgot the parents. Thank you. Thank you very much, parents, for making this accommodation. Thank you, barangay officials of Barangay Ginsurungan, and for those even not officials of Barangay Ginsurungan, they help making this tent. For without this tent, it would have been very warm, very hot. Okay, thank you for this accommodation and thank you for making this comfortable. And of course, to the provincial warden, Tinton Nuevo, the father of JB Tinton Nuevo. Maraming salamat. And for those who are not mentioned here, but really made a great help, contributed to make this a successful ceremony. Thank you. Thank you.